it's me again, Mamasita Nicoll. Of course, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. Yes! So today, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ako mag-impake sa luggage ko or baggage. Kaya, let's start na guys! So guys, this is my baggage. Dito natin ilagay yung mga damit ko. Tapos, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga gamit na ilalagay ko sa baggage ko. So, ito yung damit ko na kailangan natin ilagay sa suitcase. Hopefully, it's gonna be fit. Kasi yung sweatshirt is kalakihan din, and then yung suitcase natin is hindi masyadong malaki. So, hopefully, it's gonna be fit. So, start natin guys. Ilagay ko yung mga sweatshirt ko, yung mga malalaki. So, ito yung sweatshirt ko. Pwede mo din siya i-roll, guys. You can roll it if you want to. If you really want to have, more space. But me, I don't need to. Kasi I have enough space for my baggage. So, I just fold like this. I just make sure it's really arranged. Para kasya silang lahat. Especially guys na malalaki yung mga damit, no? You need to make sure na ano talaga siya guys. Ma-fit siya dito sa luggage natin. Same like this. Right? I can roll it if I want to. And then this one I don't need to roll. And I need to put my shirt and I just roll it. My bag is not really big, it's really small. And roll every side. So, I make sure guys na every space I can put some shirt in there. Or any kind of clothes. Maybe underwear or, bra. So, I just start for my sweatshirt and t-shirt. So, just like this. And the last one, I need to make sure na folded talaga siya guys. I need to fold this again. Ganon. So guys, ilagay ko na yung shoes natin. Like this. At saka kunin ko yung boots natin. At saka meron din tayong slippers guys. So yung slippers natin, iganyan lang natin. I-side natin. And then the boots, this one, we need to put this one in this side too. Just like this guys. Super easy. Ito na siya guys. That's how you pack your suitcase. Super easy. So guys, nakalimutan ko pala yung pante natin, no? Iligay natin dito. Para tapos na tayo. close na natin. That's it. I'm done. I-zipper na natin para ready na tayo bukas. Ganun lang ka easy, guys. So guys, tapos na ako mag-impake ng gamit ko para bukas na uwian. So, very easy lang siya, guys. If you really wanna have more space sa inyong luggage, make sure just roll some of your clothes if you want to. Kasi, it's really good idea to roll some of your clothes, especially is bigger and marami kayong ilalagay doon. So, hopefully guys, thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video. Bye guys!